called student management system. So on there, admin can log in their admin dashboard from their own email address and password. And like that, teachers also can use the same. So teachers are student. Everyone have a separate email address and password so that they can have their own dashboard. That's me. Every teacher, every student have a separate dashboard with their separate email and password. Okay, and that will be created by the admin. After signing this, you can see this. That is our total admin dashboard. That is updated or closer. Everything will be done uploaded on that, and that is a UI based. Okay, our total students in this college, total staffs teachers in this college, total courses or courses will be available there, like CSC, EC, and maybe just three courses and those are subjects and related to these courses. Okay, and you can manage the staffs. Okay, then add a new staff, then manage the students, every students, then add the students, then manage courses. Okay, then we can add many more courses on there, then add courses, new courses. If they want to provide or new subject also, why we need the subject also we need to address the system. Okay, subjects, you did the subject courses. Okay, you need to add the subject which are related to the courses. Okay, then manage session. Okay, can add many more session, every session. Okay, in the software engineering subject session, this session. Okay, if we will fulfill that, and we have the other. But this that we take documents and we process it so that we also that this is not patient, this is not absent. Also, teacher and student both can direct communication with the admin. Okay, now let's go to the. Well, this is our teacher's dashboard. Okay, every teacher will have this separate dashboard. From there, they can maintain this. Like in the teacher's dashboard, this teacher can see how many subjects are in their under the students under the teachers. Okay, how many students under these teachers? Okay, so if they click on the take attendance, suppose they need to take attendance for the class of cybersecurity, and the date is assumption here is well then going to be the space student, the exist student. So at the year it provide the date. That may be 2023. So the set attendance and attendance as a set. Okay. Then they can also see the these view objects of the SPSS. So like in there, what essentially data cybersecurity. Well, 23. Instead of we have this here. Like for this unlimited. Things like with the teacher take that attention. So page data. This is student are present. This arms not present. Students also come out with this. Like we see that if I go to the admin dashboard, we can see that is our admin dashboard. If admin came what new accesses like cybersecurity, yeah, here's that, what is that? What is student? You can see is a student are even as they are absent. So that is happening. And also if we go for the student dev, like this is our separate student dev. Every student will find a separate dev like this. So they can also view their attributes. Okay. So that whose subject we take the cybersecurity subject. So it's standard one ball with where certain balls look. Certain says that 8, 7, and 3 certain is failure. Okay. That will the basically yeah. And so that is the concept. And also teachers can add results of every student. In software engineering is students. As I said, assignment various maybe this is all the language. Let's say this. Okay. So that is this one. The call this new jumps. They can see that software engineering or assignment they jump for this class. Okay. It actually reads aside from this. Okay. When it's teachers can face this also. And these are also going to apply for the leave and they for the feedback was reduced for the students. You also apply for the leaves and for the feedback. Because leave date is when we get captures on the already one maybe has been after see wait have my already. It's now pending. Then each of those so the admin dashboard suddenly this section they can be detailed or the admin can also can so they can upload this into the upload this that in this section students and this is this protect. Okay. I'm a student I can see that people status I've been uploaded. So student can directly come from there. Yes, so everything, every system is automatic and dynamic. Okay, so that is actually called full advanced educational management system. Okay, so that's it.